Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter out rows in a Pandas data frame. So for those of you coming from a SQL world, it's like a SQL where clause in a way. So let's start. I've got this file here and I've got some, I'll take you through these cells. I've uploaded this into GitHub and I'll leave a link to this in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorials along with me. So as a first step, what I'm doing is I'm just importing pandas and then I'm providing path to a CSV file. I'll leave a link to these files also in the video notes so you can download those files like test.csv. So once I execute this, the test data frame gets the contents of the file and they're loaded in. So now let's see what are the, so I'm not going to show you all the contents. I know there are 3 columns, name, fair and sex. So I'm just going to print those. And you can see it's showing me the number of, it's showing me these 3 columns and it's also showing me at the end 418 rows. So now let's say I want to filter on wherever the gender is male. So I'm saying that I'm basically assigning a new data frame and I'm saying where, give me all the rows where train.df.loc and then I'm saying where sex is equal to male. So this is the syntax for that. And once I hit enter, and now let me do a print on the df data frame. So once I do that, and let's just go down, and you can see now it's reduced to 266 rows. So we had like 418 rows to begin with, and now it is 266. And now let's say we can do multiple conditions as well. So what I've done is it's the same syntax, train df.loc, and then I've square brackets, and then I've put in the condition train df.sex is male and is the and symbol, and then train df.fair is greater than 100. So I execute this, and now if I do a print, and you can see, let's see how many rows do we get. So we get like not too many rows, 1 2, well I don't want to count, I can't count probably, but it's still not too much. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So let's say we say it's greater than 150 and then do a shift enter and then print and see how many we get. So it's the number has gone down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you can see we can get a data frame and then we can filter out that rows from that data frame using either a single filter condition or multiple filter conditions. So that's what we've learned in this video, how to filter the rows in a data frame. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.